Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is JR at jrdigital.com. In this video guys, we'll take a look at InfinityBlog. Now in the nutshell guys, this is a brand new software or a cloud-based app that will let you create an affiliate blogging website or an affiliate product review website. Now the best part about an affiliate blogging website guys is that you can drive free traffic into whatever product or offer you wanted to promote, and you're not just getting traffic, you can get an evergreen free traffic from the search engine, and you can actually make money with this guys. Once your website has an authority, then you can sell your website guys for thousands of dollars in different kind of marketplaces like Flippa, eBay, and Facebook, right? So yeah, as you can see guys, I'm inside of the dashboard of this app. Now before I'm gonna walk you through inside of this app guys, how this works, how you can easily create your website. And one thing guys is that you can, you don't need to worry about purchasing a hosting guys, because there's an inbuilt hosting guys. You don't need to purchase a monthly subscription of hosting, because you can just embed your domain right here. Now if you don't want to purchase your own domain, you can just use this free subdomain inside of this app right here. But if you wanted to connect your own custom domain, you can actually do that inside of this app right here. Alright, so before I'm gonna walk you through right here, let me show you first my bonuses guys. So when you guys click the link below this video, which is the first link, it will take you to my bonus page that looks something like this. And we scroll down at the bottom portion of this page, you can get access guys to all of my custom made bonuses specific only for InfinityBlog. My bonus number 1, I'm gonna give you guys access to the exact email marketing software or email list building tool that I am currently using right now guys, because inside of your InfinityBlog you can build an email list, you can collect email addresses right inside of your account right here, and you can import that leads inside of this premium email list building tool. This comes with landing page builder, opt-in page creator, squeeze page creator, or automation software, or autoresponder. Alright, so yeah, that is my bonus number 1. My bonus number 2 guys, I'm gonna show you how to drive up to 600,000 per month traffic or website visitor into your website without spending thousands of dollars. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this guys. Right, you can literally drive 15,000 to 600,000 traffic per month into your website. Alright, so yeah, that is my bonus number 2. My bonus number 3 guys, I'm gonna show you how to force or how to use Gmail to send you free traffic on autopilot. Right, basically this is a no selling method that you can use to use Gmail, or to force Gmail to send you free and evergreen traffic right into your InfinityBlog website. And then my bonus number 4, I'm gonna show you how to write an SEO optimized content or article that you can publish into your InfinityBlog to get you guys higher ranking on the search results of the search engine or in Google. Now this type of content, this is an SEO optimized content or article, will help you to rank your website on the first page of the search results. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this without writing a single word. This is a really powerful guys technique that you can use guys to create an SEO optimized content or article. And then my bonus number 5, I'm gonna give you guys access to my cost. This is I'm gonna show you how to 5x or 10x the conversions of your traffic, converting that traffic into sales and making more money. Right, this is my affiliate marketing training course that I put together to help you guys out when it comes to getting results with affiliate marketing if you're into affiliate marketing. And then I'm gonna give you guys access to this other bonuses right here. Alright guys, I'm gonna give you guys access to this software right here, which is CopyMate. Now this is a world's first AI content writing software. Right, I'm gonna give you guys access to not just front end, you also get access to OTO number 1 and the reseller license of this app. Right, so yeah, and then I'm gonna give you guys access into this Store Ecom. Now Store Ecom is the world's first point and click software that will let you build an e-commerce website or e-commerce store in just 2 minutes, right? You're not just getting the front end, you also get access to the OTO number one and the reseller license of store ecom. And then I'm gonna give you guys access to host squad. This will help you guys drive free traffic into your InfinityBlog website. And then I'm gonna also give you guys access to metaverse video maker. Alright, so those are all of my bonuses, guys. If you guys would love to pick up InfinityBlog through the link down in the description of this video. So when you guys click any of these buttons right here from my bonus page, it will take you this guys to the sales page. It looks something like this. The headline says next gen AI technology creates self-updating affiliate blogging and product review sites in red hat trending niches and sell them on Plipa, eBay, Facebook, and make thousands of dollars. Alright, so yeah, let me walk you through inside of this app right here. So this is the first thing that you can see once you log into your account. Right here you can see the posts they created, featured posts, featured gallery items, gallery time, FAQs right here, languages, post categories, post gallery categories right here. Right now, this is where you edit your profile. When you click on this one, this is where you edit your profile. You put your information right here, and then in this menu right here, this is where you create your menu, or you set up your menu, like the home page, about us page, gallery, contact us page. So this is where you drag the menu, rearrange this menu right here to whatever position you would like, and then all you have to do is to click on this update, or you can add a brand new menu right here if you wanted to create a brand new menu. And then basic settings, this is where you update your website, like the themes. You can select a themes right here, so you can select this beautiful looking themes right here that you can use in your affiliate blog website or product review site right here. Information, so this is where you set up the information of your website, like website title, email, phone number, address, latitude and longitude right here. Logo, so this is where you upload your logo right here. You can create and upload your own logo. Fab icon, so this is where you upload your fab icon right here. And then freeloader, so this is where you put the freeloader of your website. So once your website is loading, this is the thing or the icon that people will see. And then breadcrumbs right here, this is where you set up your breadcrumbs. And then website appearance, so this is where you update the website colors right here, the theme color. And then preferences, this home section, right? So this is where you update the home section of your website. The slider post right here, you can actually deactivate and activate this section of your homepage right here, like this newsletters, author, latest post right here, featured post right here. You can actually click on deactivate and it will let you deactivate that specific section of your website. And then page headings, so this is where you add in the heading of your page right here. And then plugins, right? You can update the plugins right here. You can connect this with Google Analytics, Discuss, WhatsApp right here. And then SEO information. The best part about InfinityBlog is that you can optimize your website by updating your SEO information right here, like adding this meta keywords for homepage, meta description for homepage, keywords for gallery page, FAQ page, login page right here. You can pretty much customize all of your pages and optimize all of your pages right here. That way you can get free traffic from the search engine. And then cookie alert, you can also set up your cookie alert right here. And then this is where you if you wanted to use custom domain, you can also create your own custom domain right here. And then base URL right here, this is where you set up your URL right here. And then post management, settings, categories, you can create categories right here. And this is where you set up your post right here, right? You can create a brand new post. So this is the post that I created a while ago, but you can create a brand new article or a brand new post or product reviews right here. This is where you set the app right here. This is where you write a content. You can add in the meta keywords, meta description right here, That way you can optimize this with the search engine. Settings right here, this is where you set up the settings of your post right here. You can use standard view, grid view, or masonry view right here. Alright, about me section, this is where you add in your information right here, like your slider image, social links right here, testimonials, and then this partners right here. Alright, you can add in a testimonials right here. Alright, and next one is this gallery management. So this is where you access all of your media files and galleries right here. Settings right here, you can upload your files right here. And then FAQ management right here, so you can add in a brand new FAQs right here. Select a language, add in the question and then the answer. And then custom pages. So if you wanted to create a brand new page like about us page, contact us page, if you wanted to do that, you can click on this create brand new page right here, and it will let you create your brand new page right here. And then achievements right here, advertisements rather. So this is where you monetize your website by placing an ads. It can be a banner ads or a Google AdSense code right here. All you have to do is to put that code in to your website. That way you can make money every time someone clicks on the advertisement of your website. And then footer section, you can optimize and update the footer section image, and then this footer section copyright text right here, and then quick links right here. You can also add in the quick links right here. And then registered users, this is where you view all of your registered users right here. And then this subscribers, mail information, subscribers, and this is where you access all of your leads right here. So you can download all of your leads right here and import them into my bonus number 1, which is the email list building software or email list building tool that I'm currently using right now. And then language management, you can choose whatever language you want. And then announcement, you can add in a pop-up right here. You can put an announcement into the website. You can add in the pop-ups right here. And then virtual this B cards right here, or virtual cards. You can or business virtual cards rather. You can set up a business virtual cards right here. Right, so these are the samples of business virtual cards right here. And then QR codes, you can also set up or generate a QR code into your website like this. And then this following and followers right here, and then payment logs right here. This is where you see all the payment logs right here. Alright guys, so those are all the things that you can expect inside of InfinityBlog, and you can actually click on this icon right here, and it will let you turn this into light mode, and then this dark mode right here. Alright guys, so I'm not gonna show you guys an in-depth tutorial on how to do this. I'm just gonna give you and walk you through inside right here. Alright, but if you have any more questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. So yeah, those are all of the things guys that you can expect inside of InfinityBlog. And again guys, all of my bonuses are waiting for you inside of your Royal Plus account if you guys decide to pick up InfinityBlog through the link down in the description of this video. So that's pretty much it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next review video. Bye. Love you. Bye.